As the world embraces electric vehicles at an ever-increasing pace, a new challenge is emerging on the horizon: what to do with the vast numbers of used EV batteries once they reach the end of their life in vehicles. But rather than viewing these batteries as waste, innovators and energy experts are exploring the hidden value locked within them, presenting fresh opportunities and solutions for the global energy sector. When an electric vehicle battery comes to the end of its useful life powering a car, typically after a decade or so of service, it often still retains between 70 to 80% of its original capacity. While this may not be sufficient for demanding automotive requirements, it's more than enough for a variety of less strenuous applications. This opens the door to what's known as the second life for batteries, a rapidly expanding frontier in the clean energy movement. One of the most promising avenues for repurposed EV batteries is within stationary energy storage systems. With renewable energy sources like solar and wind generating power intermittently, the need for affordable energy storage has never been greater. Second-life EV batteries can be aggregated into large networks to capture excess power generated at times of low demand and dispatch it when demand spikes, helping balance the grid and stabilize energy supplies. This approach not only addresses the intermittency problem facing renewables, but also brings down the cost of storage, thanks to reutilizing hardware that would otherwise become waste. Beyond grid-scale storage, used EV batteries are also finding new homes in commercial and residential energy backup systems. They can be employed in buildings and homes to store renewable energy for use during power outages or peak consumption times, giving consumers greater resilience and control over their electricity usage. For industries, fleets of second-life batteries can deliver cost-effective storage solutions to manage energy loads more efficiently. Extending the life of EV batteries in such ways postpones the need for raw material extraction required in new battery manufacturing. This, in turn, reduces the environmental footprint of both EVs and energy storage overall. It's a critical step toward creating a circular economy where batteries are reused, recycled, and kept in service for as long as possible. However, this promising landscape is not without its challenges. Assessing, testing, and refurbishing used batteries for a second life requires significant technological advances and infrastructure. Batteries degrade differently depending on how they were used, and ensuring their safety and reliability for new applications demands rigorous testing. Additionally, a lack of standardization among battery designs can complicate efforts to aggregate and deploy them at scale. Despite these hurdles, several major automakers, energy companies, and startups are already launching second-life battery projects around the globe. Partnerships between car manufacturers and energy firms are advancing research, creating pilot projects, and developing software to efficiently manage these complex battery networks. Governments, too, are recognizing the value, implementing regulations and incentives to encourage battery reuse and recycling. Ultimately, unlocking the hidden value of used electric vehicle batteries is about transforming a looming waste problem into a sustainable resource. By finding productive second lives for these batteries, the industry can reduce e-waste, lower storage costs, improve renewable energy integration, and lessen reliance on finite raw materials. As the adoption of electric vehicles accelerates worldwide, so too will the opportunities to harness the residual power in their batteries, ushering in a new era of resourcefulness and innovation for the clean energy transition.